Hi guys. Well, I was fixing and I was tidying up Denise stuff and I found this book. Yeah, she made a book. So it's funny how her mind work. You know how their kids' minds work, imaginations and everything. So I'm gonna read it to you. This is her book. In fact, she had already another book. The first one is a big one and it's thicker. So this one is cute. And then I'll read it to you. It's funny. The book is entitled Denise and the Superhero. Although her spelling is not really good, it's not good, it's not perfect. It's she spell it the way they learn. The way they teach in school. Yeah, it's by sound. So that's how she write it by sound. So it's funny. So this is it. Denise and the Superhero. This is the title of her book. Once there was a little girl named Denise, and the and she was a good girl. But suddenly there was a loud knock on the door. Denise opened the door. But when she opened the door, there was a superhero standing at the standing at the door. That's door, D-O-R. Then the superhero came in. The superhero came in. The superhero took into, here. And the superhero took me into the sky. Then I was flying in the sky and I helped the superhero fix the bad guys and help the animals too. This is animals, I know. Animals too. And it was fun and good too. And the superhero played with me and everyone played too. Played too, whatever. And we all had dinner and we had lots of fun. So, I think, yeah, that's it. So, it's just about the superhero. It's very funny, pastilan mata. So it's just her imagination. I will keep this because when she's big, I'm gonna show it her. And I don't know what else inside this book. Um, no, there's block. No, there's block. I don't know. Toys. I love you. Still yan. Taon yan drawing eh. Wala na. And that's it. That's it, guys. It's just, it's her imaginations. Thank you for watching.